In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and HS175D GPS Drone Package. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holystone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera, featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto-return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the HS175D GPS Drone Package are both exceptional products from Holystone, each boasting their unique features and advantages. The HS440 is a compact, lightweight drone featuring a 1080p HD adjustable camera and a robust modular battery that provides a flight time of up to 20 minutes. Its intuitive features and portability make it an ideal choice for beginners and those who prioritize ease of use and mobility. On the other hand, the HS175D GPS Drone Package shines with its 4K ultra-clear camera and a substantial flight time of up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries. Its GPS auto-return function and intelligent features, such as the ability to trace and follow automatically, make it a fantastic option for those seeking advanced functionalities. However, the HS75D is priced higher at $169.99 as compared to the HS440 at $84.99, reflecting the enhanced features and capabilities it offers. Both drones have garnered positive reviews, with the HS75D having a slight edge with a review score of 4.1 against the HS440's 4.0. Ultimately, the choice between the two would depend on the user's specific needs and budgetary considerations.